What's up, my people? In this video, I'm going to show you how I balance a job, gym, and YouTube. I'm going to be doing a little vlog / day in my life to show you how I balance this. I've just woke up, just come out the bathroom. It's 6:50 a.m. right now. I'm going to have a cup of tea. I'm going to get out and walk to work. So we're saying, you lot, just had a 40-minute walk to work. I'm nearly there now. I'm about 5-10 minutes away. Just walking through some abandoned shopping mall. The ghetto for real, man, you know what I mean? I've got about a 9-hour shift today. I'm not gonna say where I work for privacy reasons, but it's in a restaurant, so that's all I'm saying. Hey, you lot, look at this shopping mall, bro. Look how abandoned it looks. You lot, I just got to work right now. I'm gonna get this shift over and done with, and I'm gonna catch you lot after the shift.
Eventually.
So my people, just finished my shift. Now I'm walking home. I got a 40-minute walk home, and that's if I walk fast. Yeah, man, it was a tiring shift. It was a very draining shift, I'm not gonna lie. You know, restaurant work in a busy town, you know, you can't get any busier than that, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna go straight to the gym before I go home and put in a good solid workout. And yeah, man, walking through a very dodgy park in my area. The town I live, you know, the park I'm walking through right now, it's a very dodgy park, so that's nice.
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, just so I could understand. 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 I'll find what you're looking for. Just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for. What it takes to be your man. Take the clothes right off my back. Put the knife against my throat. Say you leave and won't come back, but I'll find a way to forgive you. Cut the strings off my guitar. Stomp your heels into my toes. Steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, lead you away, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for.
It was quite a dramatic entrance for no reason, but I am back home now. I am at the yard finally. Got up at 6:30 this morning, you know, had a whole day shift, you know, went to gym, put a session in, and now I'm at home. I'm gonna freshen up and I'll make myself a cup of tea. Yes, I am addicted to tea, and I'm gonna edit some videos. So let's get to it. Right, my people, I actually decided to just eat straight away now. I'm not gonna have a cup of tea. I'm just gonna get my next meal in of the day. So in the morning, I had dates and a cup of tea. I personally like a light breakfast because it doesn't make me heavy or lethargic, you know what I mean, or lazy. And then I had some grilled chicken at work. So where I work in a restaurant, you know, I get free grilled chicken at lunchtime, so that was good. That's what I ate for lunch today to get that protein in. And now I'm gonna have some rice, some chicken, and some eggs. So the rice and chicken I already made, and I'm just gonna whip up the eggs, make a little mashed omelette, you could say, like a scrambled omelette, and I'm gonna show you lot that in a minute. Can't we just appreciate the gains though, man? Look, flip it now. This is what consistency does for you lot, man. Look, go in gym. And my life's literally gym, work, and YouTube now. I'm doing it consistently. You can see the gains, man. As you can see now, guys, yeah, I've got a nice high protein meal. I've got some chicken, some eggs, and a bit of rice, and I'm gonna put some yogurt on there as well. That right there is a high protein meal. If you want to build muscle or bulk up, I'll definitely recommend eating this. You saw how I did it right then, you can do it too. I'm gonna get down to demolishing this plate, but I'm gonna yam this up, so I'm gonna catch you lot in a bit. There we have it, bro. Plate demolished. Got my protein in, got the food in, man. Getting closer and closer to get that dream body, man. Come on. I gave myself a little bit of time to relax and recharge. So now, you lot, I'm going to edit my videos, right? So what I do, I batch record my videos. Any of you lot that are starting YouTube, this is a great way to remain consistent and not really run out of content. Batch recording is when you record, you know, multiple videos in one go. So you record a video, then you record the next one, then you record the next one, and then you transfer it to your laptop. It's all there, and you can edit that over, you know, a few days. And that's exactly what I do. Very easy to use. This is the app I use. It's called Canva. Very easy to use, you know, very simple. It's also free, so that's quite handy. I've got the video up there. All the clips are on this side. The video I'm editing is currently there. Subscribe so you don't miss that video, obviously. But yeah, any person new to start on YouTube, I recommend you using this app called Canva. Free, very simple app to use when you start. And obviously Canva, don't be pagans, sponsor me. So you lot, I'm going to get to editing these videos. I'm going to catch you lot in a bit. So my people, I've just finished editing my videos. These videos will be uploaded through the course of next week, and I'm keeping up with it to remain with the consistency we are at. You know, we've got to grow this channel. And a little thought now, guys, right? I'm just here with a cup of tea and some dates, some beautiful combination. You've got to try it, you lot. But I'm here with a little thought, right? And just saying that this is what it really takes to achieve your goals. Now I understand why only a few people become successful, only a few people actually make it as YouTubers, businessmen, entrepreneurs, is because are you willing to live a life like I just showed you today, right? This is not to brag, this is not to say, oh, look at me, I'm doing the right things. No, if anything, this is a video to motivate you to do this with me. I'm with you, my bro. You are my family, you lot are my family, you lot are my team, you lot are my people. Those of you that show love on my channel, comment, support me, I love you all and I appreciate you a lot. But to really achieve success, you really have to sacrifice a lot of things. Like right now, I don't really have much of a social life, as I've said previously on the channel, that right now my life is literally just work, gym and YouTube on repeat. The job I work now, you know, the sacrifices I'm making now, the lack of social events I have now, you know, this is all for the bigger picture, right? I want to become a digital nomad, and you lot know that. I want to help people. As well as that, you know, I want to travel the world. I want to experience great things. I don't want to be tied down to a job. That's not me being ignorant. That's not me being arrogant or rude to anyone. Anyone that does that, I highly respect you, because I wouldn't be able to. So this is why I've got a side hustle that I'm relentlessly working on. And if you have this dream, if you have this goal of the same thing, go for it. I am with you. I make videos for you lot. I motivate you lot. And on top of that, you are seeing my journey. And I'm saying with confidence, one day I will make it. I will make it on this channel. I'm living a very tedious, repetitive life of hard grind right now. That sounded a bit weird. Just relentless hard work, and it has to pay off. It has to pay off, bro. If you truly want success, you really have to go for your goals, you know. Cut out all those negative people. Cut out the BS in your life. Ghost for a little while, bro. Go off the radar for a little while, bro. Leave everything behind and just focus on yourself, because that's the most important thing in life. In this video, I've told you, you know, how I balance gym, work, and YouTube. But realistically, this is kind of my daily vlog, if I'm honest with you. Almost every day looks like this for me. And the days I don't have work, I'll go gym and I'll record and I edit. And days I do have work, like today, you saw what happened. So this is to motivate you. This is to show you how I balance those three things. And anything is possible, and you can too. Achieve your goals, become successful. I have faith in you. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Like the video and stay tuned for more content, man. We've got big things coming and we're going to make it. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to catch you on a bit. Love.